Hello friends, welcome to Thursday. Today's going to be kind of just a fun, simple one. I'm preparing a couple of videos in advance because I have some medical stuff coming up that I won't be able to film for a little while after. So, that all being said, I wanted to do this little haul because I just think it's so cute, and a lot of you don't know this about me, although some of you do if you're from the Spooky Astronauts Discord. I'm a massive Animal Crossing fan. I have been ever since the original GameCube Animal Crossing came out. And I saw on another streamer's live stream that he was gifted this shirt, and I just had to get it. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you what we're doing today. So for those of you that are not Animal Crossing fans, you probably have no idea who this is, but this is Jack, the Czar of Halloween, in Animal Crossing, and he is the Hanged Man on a tarot card. I freaking love this shirt. I think it's amazing. And this shirt was done by an Etsy shop called MrMisprints. His name is Jason. So I'm gonna, and of course I'll have his Etsy linked down below. But I also ordered today's project. I ordered some of these, let me do this. Let me move this stuff over. And I'll spread these out and then we can focus on them. We can zoom in on them. So I ordered some of these stickers. These are, again, Animal Crossing stickers, but with like a Halloween theme. And I freaking adore them. They're so cute. They're just the cutest little thing ever. So I'm going to be doing magnets today with resin on top. Like I said, just a super quick, easy one. If you've never seen someone make magnets out of stickers and then add resin, this is the spot for you. For that, I have some 8x10 Craftopia adhesive magnetic sheets. And what I do is I stick the sticker onto the sticky part. Sorry, you're not even able to see that. Onto the sticky part of the magnetic sheet. And then cut that out. And then I use a baking sheet now to put the magnets onto so that they don't go anywhere when I'm adding the resin. So like I said, it's just going to be a clear resin, nothing special about it, although I may want to add just a little bit of bling maybe to this one. I'm not sure yet. But that's today's video, so I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse and then the glamour shots at the end. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it.